probably change to like a mostly shirt.
Oh my god, I thought, get your feet up. I thought it was a fish, but it's actually a snake right there.
Where?
Oh, okay.
Is that a crappie?
I don't know. Yeah. No, it was a wake that I saw. And I was like, that's a fish. Bro, how am I gonna get this out?
No pliers?
Nope. How? It is physically impossible. Brock's a surgeon. Oh, he's bleeding on that side. He just swam way upside down.
I think that means he's okay though. I'm impressed.
I'm also shocked.
There's that snake there. Let me start going straight.
It went that way. I don't see it anymore. I cast it right into there. That's the first fish I think I've ever caught or seen over here.
I think I just got hit. Yep.
Oh yeah, perseverance. Oh! You want me to get him? You want me to get him? Oh, get in!
Touch my hook. Where's my... Yeah, you grab it on that side because the hook's...
Oh, that's right. That's a nice bass. Oh, she's been spawning. Look at that tail.
That tail right there, she's been spawning over here. Got some rocks. She probably made herself a bed, but that's a nice sized fish. Look at that. I'll probably have to take a pic of this when the camera shuts off. Yeah. I told you, man.
You did say it.
Hopefully you can hear that in the mix.
Oh, I'm sure. I like how we can tell it's been. I learned that from John B videos. Oh yeah, she's been spawned. You can see her tail's been rubbing.
Yeah, see, look at this. Look at her mouth. Good old mouth. Look at her mouth she got. That was peaceful though.
Honestly, here, I'll make a cast.
There's more under there. There was more under there. You got any worms like this?
Worms? I don't think so.
Just like a straight up worm.
I think the only soft plastics I have are swim baits. I have a tube.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh shoot, this is, I can't. You sure you don't got any worms?
I am positive I don't have any worms. We are very unprepared today.
Here's what we're gonna do. Yeah.
That's not what I wanted to do.
We're just gonna make her small.
I got hooks, I got every kind of hard bait, and I got tubes and swim baits.
Look at that from his mouth. Here, look at that. Just took the worm's head off, kind of messed up, took its head off, just made him a little smaller. I'm gonna see if Sally that we caught that was bedding back here got any buddies. If I were you, I'd take that bait off right now and put you on something soft.
I don't have really anything, so.
Well, that's your fault if you don't want to catch no bass. Check me out. This is a fish.
Oh, she's getting.
It's a catfish.
That's a catfish.
How are we gonna get it off? How are we gonna get it off?
I'll get it. I'll get it.
It's got whiskers, bro.
I'll get it. I'll get it.
You want to just get on the dock?
Hey, that's one of each species.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, here, I'll get it.
Here.
Oh, I thought something just fell in. All right, yeah, bring us to the dock. I'll go to the dock and get it off.
We've got
That's a catfish. Okay.
What is up, guys? I'm smacking them. If you, yeah, like you can put my shoe. Oh shoot, my bad. How did I just catch a catfish?
Got it.
I just caught a catty.
Hey, it's one of each species.
Don't throw it over there. That's where we're catching. Toss it over there. It's the first catfish ever on bid.
No, yeah, it is. All right, here she goes. Oh.
Guys, when I threw that in, my hook wasn't even in my worm. Like it was like this. Worm hook.
All right, well, I gotta get back on the boat, big fella.
Sorry, I'm getting excited.
I don't even know what to use at this point.
Something soft.
I don't have anything soft.
Put a tube on it.
I don't have a weight.
Oh, I'm getting hit. I got one.
Oh my God.
They're tearing up the worm. They're tearing it up. Look at that. Get your phone out until we just got another bass.
Brock is straight ripping them over here.
He bit me.
He is, but we don't have any more stuff, so he's trying not to lose that.
I'm trying not to lose this worm. This was working.
Fish on.
Yeah, you bring it up and then bring it up so you can lift it. Is it on?
Let's go.
I'm honestly shocked.
Look at this. Look what I just caught that on. That's like, that shouldn't have worked.
So tell me why we've never caught fish here before and like it's too easy. It's too easy. Look at that. Look how my worm got stuck. It's kind of impressive.
All right. You know, another bass. I mean,
Bass number 3.
me and Brock we've come here like 3 times, just me and him. And this lake keeps surprising us.
Should have tossed it in there. It's like in 1 foot of water. He probably just got concussed. Like the fact that we're fishing in like a swimming pool.
Not even.
Yeah, not like a kiddie pool.
Like a large hot. Nah.
I guess that makes sense. What was that? Is that a fish?
I don't know, but it looked long and skinny. I don't want it to be like a snake.
Where was it?
It was like right there.
Did it come from out of the rock? Or?
No, it didn't come from the rock, but it looked like it was underwater and stayed underwater, so it might have just been like a, I don't know.
Alligator gar.
Probably.
Oh, bro, if we catch another species, I'll always flip.
Like a black crappie or something.
Catch us a striped bass. Now, if we catch a walleye, we're screwed.
Those things got chompers.
Yeah. Like the only way my dad got the walleye off that we caught in Grandview is we got lucky and it came off.
You have walleye in Grandview?
There's a guy like that first started when like he moved in when my dad lived there, and there used to be no houses, or like not really any houses around the pond, and so he would go fishing at like White River and stuff, and he would whatever he caught that day, that guy would go put it in the pond. So he would catch walleye, throw it in. There's smallmouth in our pond at Grandview. And so he would catch crappie a lot too. So whatever he would catch, he would toss in there.
Talk about a multi-species challenge. Oh, we still gotta catch a bluegill here, but that's not happening.
What is it?
Unless it's a state record one, which if they're as big as the crappie in here.
Did I catch 3 bass or?
I caught one, I think.
3.
You did? You caught the one that was spawning. You caught a tiny one.
And I caught one more.
Yeah, you did, so 3.
He's had 6 fish already.
Crappie, catfish, and 4. Yeah, 6.
There's something in there. Bring it.
Honestly, I could have just put a tube on it. I think I have some shaky head hooks, or hooks like yours. I could just fish on. I think it's on. Yeah, it's on.
No freaking way. Holy crap, Ethan. This is the least prepared we've ever been.
Yeah, we don't have anything. Bro, this thing's got some, like, demon eyes.
It's kind of cool.
Look at that.
Why are you catching fish on like that? Like.
Yeah. Yeah, here, let me get the fish out real quick. I'll show you guys my rig officially. Dang, that thing's got a tiny tail. But that's got some heft to it.
As you can see though, no spawning. No spawning from the tank.
All right.
I'm impressed. I'm so impressed.
Oh, that wasn't as graceful as the other one. Oh, okay, we're good.
Show them your setup.
Yeah, so as you heard, we're not prepared. We don't even have pliers.
Save the crappie.
Yeah, but we saved a crappie that ate a freaking crankbait. But
Can't wait for more of that.
yeah,
All right, that's a wrap up on day one. Pretty good day. We might come back tomorrow in the morning. We got out here. We had to help. What's her name? Carla. We helped Carla pick up the dam. Yep. You know, keep where you fish clean. You know, clean lake, bigger fish, better fish. You know. So we went out today, caught one crappie. Started off. Then caught about a 2-pounder bass, 2-pound bass. It was all right. And then caught something else. That was another good sized bass. It was catfish. Caught us a catfish. And then caught about 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe how many fish? How many bass do you think?
5 or 6.
About 6 bass today. We'll come back tomorrow. Hopefully get more stuff for you.